Hey guys, I'm going to show you 4 styles of t-shirt designs from only one artwork and how to make each one in Canva. The set of artworks I'm using are flat lemons that I made myself. First, I'm going to upload them to Canva. I go to canva.com, click on create, choose custom size, and enter 4500 pixels by 5400 pixels, which works on most print-on-demand platforms. Then I go to Uploads, click Upload Files, and select my images. You can also skip the upload part and use the free artworks in Canva as well. Design number 1. Vintage logo style. This style is very easy to make. First, I add the text and the artwork. Then I add an oval shape by going to Elements, Shapes, and selecting the shape I want. I change the arrangement of the layers by right-clicking on an element and clicking Show Layers. I can drag the layers up and down from there. Curving the text inside the oval is easy. I just select the text, click on FX, and change the curve percentage until I get the desired result. I add another oval, and this time I remove the fill color, increase the stroke weight, and change the strokes color. Then I add another text for the bottom and curve it like before. I can also add other free elements like stars or dots to fill the space. And that's how easily I can make a logo style design in Canva. Design number 2, a striped background style. First, I make some stripes. I add a rectangle shape by going to Elements, Shapes, and selecting the rectangle. I resize it, then hold down Alt and drag it to make copies. To space out the stripes evenly, I select them all, go to Position, Space Evenly, and choose Horizontally. Next, I add the lemons and scatter them randomly, resizing and rotating them a bit. Then I add the text and resize some of the stripes to fit the text. I also added a water splash and changed the color to yellow to fit my design. Design number 3, minimal line art. This design is very easy to make. I add the line arts and the text, then arrange them. Since the lines overlap, the trick I use is copying one of the line arts several times, stacking them on top of each other, and hiding different parts by using the crop tool. Design number 4, newspaper article style. For this type of design, I need some paragraphs of text around my artwork. I use some text from ChatGPT. First, I add the images and a title at the top. I use a script font and make a copy of this text in another color. Place it behind and move it slightly downward. To add a bit of shadow behind my artwork, I make a copy, send it to the back, change the color to a darker shade, and let just a bit of it show so it resembles a shadow. Then I add some blocks of text around, along with other text or elements to fill the space. So that's it for easy designs made in Canva with only one set of artwork. If you like this video, like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.